I'm going to do my talk today on Robert Louis Stevenson. He was born on the 13th of November 1850 in Edinburgh. He was a Scottish novelist and poet. He was an only child and found it difficult to fit in when he went to school when he was 6. This happened again when he went to Edinburgh Academy when he was 11. He was always writing stories as a child. His father paid for his first publication when he was 16, The Pentland Rising, a page of history. His parents thought his writing would just stay a hobby, and in November 1867 he went to Edinburgh University to study engineering. He visited Shetland and Orkney while he was working as an engineer, but these soon became backdrops for books he wrote later on. He was 21 when he decided to become a professional writer. His first major success was Treasure Island, which he wrote in 1883. And he originally called it The Sea Cook, but an editor changed it. His other major successes have been The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde and Kidnapped. He also wrote lots of short stories and poems. He was also an amateur composer and played the flaglet. On December 3rd, 1894, he was talking to his wife and straining to open a bottle of wine when he said, "What's that?" And then he said to his wife, "Does my face look strange?" and then collapsed on the floor beside her. He died a few hours later, probably due to a cerebral hemorrhage. He died at the age of 44. Fun fact, at Law Primary, the houses are named after 4 influential Scottish writers and poets. There is Barry, named after J.M. Barrie, Burns, named after Robert Burns, Scott, named after Sir Walter Scott, and Stevenson, named after Robert Louis Stevenson. I think Robert Louis Stevenson is the greatest Scot because he never gave up on his dream of being a writer. He was a brilliant writer and took inspiration for his novels from places he had been when he was working as an engineer. That is why I think Robert Louis Stevenson is the greatest Scot.